So this is how you can fix Monopoly Go invite friends not working. Hey everyone, welcome to our guide for Monopoly Go. Today you will learn how to fix your Monopoly Go invite not working. So go ahead and open up Monopoly Go, and I'm just going to show you how to get your invite link just in case you were doing it wrong the first time. Go to the bottom right, tap on friends, and then tap on invite. Now, you can either tap on your Facebook and then join the Facebook, and your friends can go ahead and join you in this game, or you can go ahead and tap on the orange button, which you will then be able to copy and then send to your friends. But if you can't copy it in some way, or there's maybe an error, then we can go ahead and fix that by going back to our home screen, holding Monopoly Go, and then tapping on Remove App. Now, you're going to want to delete this app, and then after you do, you're going to want to go to the App Store and then download it again. If that doesn't work, maybe you just have to update Monopoly Go. And if that doesn't work either, maybe it's your phone because sometimes apps in your phone require iOS 16. You may not have iOS 16, especially for the phones that are not iPhone X or 10 or above. So, yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.